Welcome back into 13 News This Morning. We're joined today with our good friend Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we have our little helper with us. We have Charlotte. She's going to be very handy. We're excited to have her. Charlotte, what are we making today?
Well, we are making a buttermilk ranch dressing, aren't we? Yes.
All right, let's get started.
All right. We're going to have you put in our milk there. Okay. That is soy milk that Charlotte measured out with 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And then, Charlotte, do you want to add this? This is 3 tablespoons of ranch dressing. Perfect. And then Grandma is going to add the tofu. There we go. And the Greek yogurt. We'll put that in there, right there. All right. And then, Raina, we're going to put the lid on there. Yes, we are. And lock it in place. And Charlotte, go ahead and, oh, good. Go ahead and do it again.
There we go. Now we're getting it.
All right. That's great. And, you know, we have a sheet that we're going to pass out this month with everybody calls. It's called The Thrill of Skill. And it tells at what age children can do different things. So by us putting that in there, and Charlotte was safely there putting the buttons on. But she is, how old are you? 6. 6. And it starts out our sheet at 3 years old. Okay, we're going to move that to the side because Charlotte's already made the dressing, and she's going to fix a salad for both Jared and Raina, aren't you? So first of all, she's going to add the dressing that she's already made. Great job.
Ooh.
Good. And then, Raina, I found these in the store. I love them. They're a salad topper. It's called Protein Pack, but it has edamame cashews. It has dried fruit in it, which gives it that extra crunch and extra soy protein.
And I love cashews and the cranberries, so this is perfect. You guys are in my mind. And look, she's giving us the perfect portions for this.
There we go.
Well,
now
delicious.
You have a salad for them, don't you?
Pretty easy. You made it look easy. I need to take you and you can cook with me. Now, Charlene, now you mentioned that this is perfect to cooking with your children. Now, tell me a little bit about what they get. You guys have a little surprise for them.
We do.
Which is exciting.
Everybody that calls into our office at the 877 KS Soybean phone number will get the activity book, we'll get the soy crayons, and then we're also going to send them the Thrill of Skill so they'll know at what age to do different tasks with their children.
Exactly, and Charlene even provided us with a fun fact here, so here we go. The oil from 1 bushel of soybeans will make 2,112 crayons, which is right here, and 1 acre of soybeans can produce 82,368 crayons, which is amazing. That's a huge fun fact. And then if we want to get more recipes on a daily basis, Charlene, where can we go?
You can go to kansassoybeans.org on our website, or go to call our 800 number 877 KS Soybean.
Charlene, thank you, and thank you so much, Charlotte. You did amazing. And we'll be right back after this.